Clark International Speedway, or CIS, is the top motorsport venue in the Philippines. It opened in 2008 in Pampanga. The track is 4.189 km long, with 18 turns and a 1 km drag strip. It is a FIA Grade 4 certified, the only one in the country. CIS hosts major events like the Philippine Superbike Championship, GT Championship, Toyota Vios Cup, Flatout Race Series, and Radical Cup Philippines. It has also welcomed international races such as Formula 4C and the Asian V8 series. The venue has pits, grandstands, and viewing decks for fans. The track is used for drag racing, drifting, karting, touring cars, and superbikes. It continues to grow as the heart of the Philippine motorsport.